your boy Ace Boogie coming you another video. Hang your Ace Boogie, man. Hey, this how we gonna kick this off again, man. Hey, man, you new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I'm waiting. I'm just waiting. Deep time. Hit that subscribe button for me. Then hit that like button. Hey, I'm a true Boogie Gang fan that been here. Hit that like button. I appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. But we gonna go and get to this video, man. Hey, man, you see, same day, different video, man. And you see, I know you probably seen it with this, my wrap. I was getting my car wrap for my, doing a video for my car wrap. I gotta say, so I'm shooting 2 videos one day. So this video consists of me putting underglow on this car, on my wife's car. Here go the underglow. So what I would be doing, raising the jack in the car up, putting it on jack stands, getting up under there, and handling my business. I already put it on my car, I got it on the truck, so now I got to put it on her car. So what I'll be doing, pretty much like I said, jacking the car up and getting it prepared for me to get up under there and put her underglow on for her. She been waiting on it to come in, so it's in. I'm gonna do it for her. Don't put it on 4-way fast. So what I'm gonna do, sit the camera down and start jacking the car up, man. Yes, sir. Excuse me. Take this down, son. Let's get it. Ready to check things? I got 3 of them up. Right now. I'm sure to you. See. Let me see, where is it? I can't see. There you go. See, that's 1. There go 2. If you can see it. There go the 3rd one. So I got them 3. hooked up. I'm gonna wire everything up. Then button everything up. Then I'm gonna put the back one on because I'm about to rejack the car up in the back. So I can get up on the back. So if I got it up in the front, I'm gonna run my wires, connect everything, make sure everything come on first. And then I do the back. So I get back with you. So yeah, I am done, finished. Done and finished now. So let's show you how it kind of look up. Well, I'll show you at night. But it's up there. Let me show you. As you can see, it's lighting up. So it's lighting up. So yeah, man, I am done. Tired. Very tired. I don't know if I got anything in my nose. But yep, I am tired, man. I am done. I'm gonna install some pictures at nighttime so you can see how it glow look at night. But yeah, I have it done. I am tired. What? Okay. Okay. Yeah, I am done though. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, share, man. Share the video. After I'm gonna drop some it at night, so you can see how I look at night, everything like that. Well, I am done, man. I am tired, waiting on my car finish getting done. But it should be done by the time y'all get this video. So, I'm out, man. We're gone. So here we go. Color changing. Told y'all I'm gonna show y'all it. Changing colors. Changed a lot of different colors. Pink, blue, red, all type of colors. But y'all getting this video out of order because I'm still getting my car done. I gotta get the wheels done. Gotta get the wheels done. But yep, there you go. See it changing colors. Y'all want a sneak peek of my car? Oh, sneak peek. But there you go. Completely done. But yeah, like I said, y'all like, comment, subscribe, share, man. Y'all like the content, man. Hit that subscribe button. Yes, sir. There's Mystique flip-flopping. Yeah, man, I'm gone, man.